How to cancel subscription on Emergent AI. So first of all, you'll have to go to your Emergent AI and then simply go to your profile icon at the top right, then hidden towards the account settings. So once you're in the account settings, what you can do is go to your plan. You can see your plan and then go to the personal plan or different kinds of plan you have and go to the manage plan option. So once you're in the manage plan, after you scroll all the way down, you can find cancel subscription. Go there. So you will be asked with the reason to cancel, and you can simply select the reason and simply press and continue. So once you press and continue, it will try to keep you as a member in their Emergent AI, but you can simply go ahead to press no thanks and cancel. So once you press there, what you can do is go to next interface that would read confirm cancellation, so you can write more about your experience as well. You can also keep the current plan from this interface as well, but after you press confirm cancellation, you will be asked to cancel the subscription. You will be provided with a page like this, so you'll simply press and cancel subscription right here. So once you press there, so you have got your subscription, and if you cancel the subscription, it will still be available until your billing period, so until your subscription gets expired particularly, so you will be able to have the access to those premium features till your subscription prevails. So that's for the video. Hopefully it helps. Thank you.